In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Xero Invoices. Adding your company's logo is a great way to personalize your invoices and ensure your brand stands out when your clients receive billing information. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step. First, let's head over to the Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll manage most of your financial activities. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in the main menu, so go ahead and click on it. The settings section allows you to customize various aspects of your Xero account, and today we're focusing on invoice settings. After navigating to settings, the next step is to find and click on invoice settings. This is where you create, customize, and manage the templates for your invoices. It's a powerful feature that lets you ensure your invoices reflect your brand's identity. Within the invoice settings, you'll see the option to upload logo. Click on this to initiate the process of personalizing your invoice template. Once you click on Upload Logo, you'll be prompted to browse your computer for the image file you'd like to use. You'll see a button labeled Browse. Go ahead and click this. It's important to have your logo image file ready on your computer. A high-quality PNG or JPEG file works best. Now, choose a file to upload. This step involves navigating through your computer's files to find your logo image. Ensure that your logo is clear, professional, and ready to represent your business on official documents. When you find the right file, select it. This allows Xero to identify the image file you want to associate with your invoices. With your logo file selected, you're almost done. The next step is to click on Upload. This action will upload your logo into the Xero system, integrating it with your invoice template. Once the upload is complete, you should see your logo displayed in the preview section of the invoice settings. It's that simple. Take a moment to admire your work. This visual addition can make a significant difference in how your invoices are perceived. Not only does a logo make your invoices look more professional, but it also strengthens your brand's recognition. By adding this personal touch, your clients will remember your company more easily, making it beneficial for cultivating long-term business relationships. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Xero invoices, enhancing your business's professional image. If you ever want to change or update the logo, you can simply repeat these steps. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please consider subscribing for more tips on how to optimize your business workflows with Xero.